Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a poll on Instagram post caption. Alright guys, first of all, let's just create an Instagram post. I'm going to click on this plus button, then select the post option right here. And for instance, I'm going to upload this photo, and we can click on next, and we can also put folder or music to our Instagram post, but I'm just going to skip the step, and we can click on next. All right, and if you want to create a poll caption, you can click on this option and click on this poll option. And for example, I'm going to ask question, which one do you prefer? Okay, then I'm going to put the option like this. Okay, you can also add another option right here. Then after you're done creating your poll caption, you can click on this check mark. Okay, then click on share to share this post to your Instagram. Okay, then wait guys, I'm going to check it. All right, and this is the result. This is the caption, the poll that we have just created. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a poll on Instagram post caption. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.